Sup guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make double iron doors with one button. So let's get right into it. First of all, here is our structure and here I'm gonna place my doors. So let's just break it a bit. So I'm breaking it. Yes, so now what we're just gonna do is place a block here and a slab here. And then we're just gonna put redstone dust like this, put a repeater right here, and then of course we're just gonna put a button right here. We're just gonna add our doors like this and let's test it. As you can see, it works. So now I'm just gonna cover it all up. Okay, so let's test it. It opens. So if we want to go out, let's just add some pressure plates like this. So let's test it again. As you can see, our door works. That's pretty much for this video. If you guys liked it, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.